Happy St. Nicholas Day! Today's the day that you put your boot out. Or last night, I guess, you put your boot out and magically some coins appeared in your boots. And you walk out and you see your boots and you've got coins and chocolates and it's fun. So happy St. Nicholas Day. Let's draw a boot. But before we do, make sure you're subscribed because I have a brand new draw along video just for the Christmas season coming out tomorrow and you're not going to want to miss it. So subscribe and let's draw a Christmas boot. Happy St. Nicholas Day. Let's start with the sole of our boot, which is going to be a straight line like this. That's going to be the heel. And then I'm going to have it come up. It's kind of going to look like a lightning bolt. It's going to go boom, boom, boom. Ready? So we got that straight line. We came up. And now we're going to draw a line that comes down like that. And that's going to be the bottom of our boot. Straight line up, and then a little bit of a curve. It kind of looks like a lightning bolt. Okay. Now let's draw the back of the heel. And then we're going to follow that curved line that we drew all the way down to the toe of the shoe. Great. All right, let's make our boot really bubbly, really fun, very like it's Santa Claus's boot or something. And draw a curve up like this, way up there. Yeah, let's have some fun with it. And then I want a little belt that comes on the shoe since we're gonna make it fun and Christmassy. So I'm gonna put a line that comes from the top of the heel here all the way over to right about there. And then draw a straight line on this side, a straight line on this side. And then we are going to connect that. Okay, so that's kind of a strap or a belt that comes across the boot. Let's add a little clasp to it. Okay, so I'm going to draw a straight line right there, not quite at the edge of that shape we just drew, but almost. And then another one on the other side. It's like this little rectangle we have here, grew arms. And then two straight lines. Now it looks like a field goal that's kind of tipping over. And then connect that to make the clasp of our belt. Great. All right, so right under that, we are just going to go ahead and go down and connect to the end of our boot, okay? I'm going to go down and connect to the end of our boot. Awesome. All right, it's time to draw the back of our boot. It's just going to go straight up, like that. Straight up like that. And I want to add a little bit of that Christmas fluff. You know what I'm talking about? Everything has this white fluffy stuff to it. So we're going to add that to the top of our boot. So add a curve to the top of that line. And then we're going to draw little C curves or U curves all the way over. And it's almost going to look like water. Okay, once we have that, bring it all the way over. So we got a big C curve there. Do the same thing on the other side, big C curve. And then we'll add little C curves to the top there. All right, great. Let's add a line right down the boot, just for fun. And with that, you are ready to color your boot. Thanks for drawing that Christmas boot with me. That was a lot of fun. Happy St. Nicholas Day. Please do subscribe because we've got a new draw along video coming out every single day all the way through Christmas. So subscribe, Merry Christmas, and I'll see you in the next video.